Hi, my name is Chris. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing Leetcode problem 1796, second largest string in a digit in JavaScript. Okay, this is given alphanumeric string S, return the second largest numerical digit that appears in S, or -1 if it does not exist. An alphanumeric string is a string consisting of lowercase English letters and digits. Okay, I feel like these examples are a little misleading. But let's go through them. So in this input S, we have 3 digits, 1, 2, 3. So the second largest digit is 2, so we return 2. In this, we have the only digits we have is 1, so there is no second largest, so we return -1. Now, one thing that I think would have been helpful is if they would have an example with this scenario, where you had, like, I don't know, let's say you had a 0, right? And then your digits are right. So I made this mistake when I was solving it. Second largest, I don't know, that term is a little funny, but so initially I thought this would be 1 because it's the second whatever highest, but it's not. It's the second largest, so the answer should be 2, right? So if this was all our digits here, right, the answer is not 1, the answer is 4. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and grab this anyways. Move over to CodePen. Let's create our function. And we'll log into the console. All right. So first thing we want to do is we're going to filter out all of the numbers. And we're going to split it into an array, filter out the numbers, and then put those numbers in an object as a key, and their value is in the object is going to be however many times they occur. So first thing we do is create that object. For now, let's go ahead and return num array, which we're about to create. First thing we do is split it. Okay, and now we're going to filter out the numbers using the filter method. And we're going to use a regex here. Put all our digits in there. And then we use the test method. Okay. And now we should have just the digits. Now we're going to loop through this num array with map. And what we're going to do now is, instead of returning num array, we're going to return the object. Because what we're going to do now is a ternary operator. It says if num in object. So if num exists as a key in object, then we're going to increment object at num at 1. If it doesn't, object at num equals 1. There you go. So we have all our numbers and how many times they occur. Now what we can do is we can create an array called nums. Now we're going to loop through our object. push into nums all the keys, but use the keyword in front of it so we actually have numbers. So now if we return nums, we have each of the unique nums in our array. And I'm going to add something here because we'll throw that in there. Right. So what we want to see is 2. And here's another thing too. Let's say hypothetically we have this. Okay. Or I should really say this. So if nums that length is less than 2, we're going to return -1. Else we return nums. Whoops. If nums dot length -2. Right, so now we have -1 because we only have one number, so it can't be a second highest. Right, so now if I add these, we get a 4. Yep, cool. All right, let's go ahead and grab our code, move back to Leetcode. Paste it in there, format our code, let's go ahead and submit. We're good to go. All right, thanks for watching. Hopefully you found this video enjoyable and helpful. If you did, please give it a like. It helps my channel to grow. If you'd like to see more like these, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks again. Hope to see you again real soon.